Shit, man.
GoonZilla.
Yeah, Zilla.
Yeah.
Hit the shit for a trio in the game, man.
I'm cracking on top by 15, but like a bird, I'm free now. I know these pussy niggas hating, but like a bird, I can see now. You niggas don't know what I've been through. I've been through time on drama, but I'm back, nigga, on the block, cuz I'm trying to get me some money. Cracking on top by 15, but like a bird, I'm
See now.
I know these pussy niggas
Hating on me,
but like a bird, I can see
now.
You niggas don't know what I've been through. I've been through time on drama, but I'm back, nigga, on the block, cuz I'm trying to get me some money. A bitch, I'm already young. 12 years old, had weed in my lung. Blue flat crib, plug lays on my tongue. Matt Ray home, they were labeled the slum. But me and my nigga, yeah, we called it home. Crack couldn't stand it, so they banned the nigga. They ain't give a fuck if you finna live in it. Trump had charge if a nigga even visit. Fuck it, I'm all in crib. Big 4-5 with a 30-round clip. Hollow world crib, I was built for this shit. Rick game 100, call it dope boy magic. Rich game fro, got a dope boy head. Play with a nigga, bet y'all go to yap. Tall white tee, put a face on the fabric. Loud pass, smoke, can't happen, I'ma add. GSC, that my life just a match. Emotional pressure, my mind the best. Big body, 2 lanes, grabbing 2 traps. Stage me think about my homie Miss Man. Hit the bottle, hit the thought I had a web car. Fuck with my nigga, can't just got out. He gon' run up the bag. Flex on your ass. I know that you watching. I know that you watch.
Woo!
Rocket on
Yeah!
15.
Westside!
On free line.
Yeah! Give y'all that shit from the Westside, man. Listen, man, we just come and give y'all this shit first, man. Live from the dub, man. Big Bone this bit, man. I told y'all it was coming, man. This shit here now. Yeah, like a bird of free now. Yeah.